everyone. My name is Carly Burridge, and welcome to another episode of What's Up Wednesday. I'm the founder and owner of Gaining Health, which I created to help healthcare providers and organizations who want to start or optimize an obesity management program. And every Wednesday, I do a segment called What's Up Wednesday, where I talk about either recent research articles or books that have been recently released on the topic of obesity. And again, tell you how you can use some of these resources in your clinical practice. And so I'm super excited today to get to present to you something I've been working on for the last few months, and it's finally finished. I want to present you with our patient education manual, Losing Weight and Gaining Health, your guide to achieving your health goals. So I'm super excited about this. As you can see, it's a whole manual, over 40 different modules on here. I created this resource to save providers the time and energy it takes to create their own patient education materials, because that takes a long time, and to provide your patients with really good necessary information in order for them to be able to put together a plan with their provider using shared decision making. So again, this manual is specifically written for people in a medically supervised obesity management program. And I would recommend providing this to all of your patients at their initial weight management appointment. And then you can refer back to it throughout their treatment plan, addressing one or more of the modules at a time, depending on where your patient is in their journey and what their needs and their struggles are. So the manual is divided into 7 different sections, and then each of those sections are further divided into several 1 to 3 page modules, similar to like a handout that you would give a patient, but it's all put together in one book. So the sections include, first of all, the foundation, which covers the pathophysiology of obesity and energy regulation in lay language in a way that patients can understand it. Then we also have a section on medical care, which reviews the role of the medical team, as well as some of the pharmacologic, endoscopic, and surgical treatment options. Then, of course, we have a nutrition section with over 14 different modules, all related to nutrition. And then we have a section on physical activity. We have a section on emotional well-being and stress management. We have a section on sleep. And then last but not least, of course, we have a section on weight maintenance. And then the appendix also includes some really great resources, including nutrition plan specific grocery lists and also a template for a handwritten nutrition log that your patients can use. And each module concludes with either a brief self-assessment to assess the comprehension of the material covered, or a self-improvement section, which gives the patient a couple of optional assignments to complete that are related to the module. So these can also be a really great way for the provider to quickly assess whether or not the patient is reading and completing the modules and if they're actually comprehending the material. So lastly, these manuals can also help provide additional revenue for your practice. You can charge your patients a cash fee for this, or you can roll it into a program fee or a membership fee, or really however you want to handle it. These manuals can be ordered on our website at gaininghealth.com through our products and services page. And another thing we just released as well is the Obesity Medicine Starter Kit, which includes a copy of our patient education manual. And it also includes a copy of our very popular book, Developing an Obesity Management Program, The Healthcare Provider's Roadmap, which we've gotten great feedback on that it's really been helpful for providers who want to start an obesity program but don't really know where to start. It really covers a lot of the nuts and bolts and intricacies when developing a program. And then it also includes our templates and forms bundle, which is over 14 different forms and templates that you can use with your patients, with your EMR system. It's fully editable, so you can change it however you want, but at least like 90% of the work is done for you, so you don't have to recreate the wheel. Again, my goal is just to make it easier for providers and organizations to start obesity management programs, because we need more providers out there who are treating obesity so that our patients with obesity have access to the evidence-based and compassionate help that they need. So all of this is available on our website, gaininghealth.com. If you want, you can subscribe there so you can stay up to date on all of our new product releases and on any events that we have going on. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much for listening today. Again, check out gaininghealth.com, and I will see you all next week. Take care.